The distributed mobile energy station, designed and developed by Shanghai Haiqi Environmental Protection Technology Company Limited, is currently the most advanced and economical, environmentally friendly, renewable, and clean energy solution in the world. The system mainly includes material storage and feeding system, pyrolysis gasification system, combustible gas Stirling power generation system, waste heat utilization system, flue gas purification system, and 5G remote information intelligent energy management system. After the pre-treated biomass is unloaded into the silo, the material is sent to the gasifier for cracking through the automatic feeding system, and the primary air is fed after automatic ignition, and the biomass begins to undergo pyrolysis reduction reaction in the gasifier. From top to bottom are drying layer, pyrolysis layer, burnout layer. The generated combustible gas mixture is composed of hydrogen, methane, carbon monoxide, and gaseous hydrocarbons. And the combustible gas enters the Stirling combustion chamber to automatically ignite and burn. The combustion temperature is as high as 1,000 to 1,300 degrees C, and the maximum combustion temperature of the gasifier can reach 1,000 degrees C, which can meet the heat required for the continuous pyrolysis and gasification of biomass. The carbon residue after gasification is cooled by the primary air and discharged, which can be used as carbon-based fertilizer. The biochar produced by the system is about 10 to 15%. The biomass combustible gas is combusted by Stirling to generate electricity, which is directly incorporated into the microgrid or for civil use. The hot water or steam generated by the heat exchange of the exhaust gas after the Stirling can be used for civil or industrial use. The flue gas after the waste heat utilization is dedusted, and the flue gas emission reaches the latest EU 2019 and China 2014 standards. Haiqi Solution. A single system provides 24-hour uninterrupted energy for remote areas. Multiple sets in parallel can be applied to large-scale multi-energy complementary cooling, heating, and power cogeneration projects. The mobile energy station plus energy storage system is suitable for uneven distributed electricity consumption. Applicable raw materials for the system: biomass, tree branches, nutshells, straw, furniture factory scraps, building templates, biomass pellets, etc. The advantages of the system: modular power plant, the whole plant output, greatly reducing the workload of the total EPC project by more than 90%, free of foundation, free of installation, easy maintenance. According to the actual needs of users, add mobile raw material pre-treatment systems, mobile seawater desalination systems, mobile sewage treatment systems, mobile energy storage systems, mobile smart energy management systems, etc. Product application scenarios: wind power, photovoltaic, energy storage, multi-connected energy supply and complementary coupling energy services, island resorts, remote mountainous areas, tourist attractions, humanitarian strategic materials, international refugee camps, forest areas, new energy swap stations, charging stations, and areas where energy is unavailable or too expensive. Haiqi Integrated Energy Service provide intelligent solutions for energy producers, enhance the synergistic optimization between energy production, transmission, storage, consumption, etc. through coupling and complementation between different energy types, and improve the level of active utilization and energy supply flexibility, and ultimately achieve the goal of improving energy efficiency and reducing energy costs, providing high-quality solutions for actively realizing sustainable zero-carbon cities. Haiqi has been in environmental protection for more than 20 years, and we have never stopped providing sustainable new energy goals for the global human beings.